Want to program a new key fob for your 2018-2020 Chevy Sonic? It's often doable at home. This process establishes a secure connection between the fob and your car's computer, allowing keyless entry and ignition. Here's how. 1. Ensure your car is off, doors unlocked, and no keys are in the ignition. 2. Insert your working key into the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Remove the key. 3. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on the new fob until the car locks and unlocks. This indicates it's entering sync mode. 4. Turn the ignition to on again, then back to off. 5. Repeat the unlock button press to confirm pairing. If you have additional fobs, repeat steps 3 to 5 within 40 seconds. Finally, test the fob by unlocking the doors remotely. Remember, this sequence is time-sensitive. Complete it within 40 to 60 seconds. This method relies on RF communication between the fob and the car's BCM. It uses a unique transponder code. Experiencing issues? Several factors can cause pairing failures. First, ensure the fob has a fresh CR2032 battery. Low temperatures can also disrupt the signal. Only genuine GM fobs or programmable aftermarket ones are compatible. Counterfeit fobs often fail due to mismatched frequencies. If problems persist, consider BCM glitches or interference from aftermarket accessories. Although DIY pairing is often successful, around 88% success rate, a dealership reprogramming might be necessary for complex issues. If you're having issues, it might be cheaper than towing. Note this DIY method is specifically for 2018-2020 Sonic models. Newer models may use app-based key sharing. Don't attempt trial and error, as it can prevent lockouts. Be aware of the trends in technology. The global key fob market continues to grow.